Welcome to EKTV. Today, moderate magnitude earthquake was occurred in Austria. The quake hits Austria today, 25th February 2022, 10 p.m. local time. German Research Center for Geosciences is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 3.7. And US Geological Survey, the second agency, also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.